Hi, hello, and welcome to my talk today. I'm here to talk about art of repertorization, my book which I published about in February this year. So it's a book I've been writing for a fairly long amount of time, and I think I developed that book during different seminars in last few months. And when I gave many different seminars across India in Europe, I realized that there was a need for learning different repertories. You know, how to use Boric repertory, how to use Kent, how to use Nair, how to use Boger Bonninghausen's, how to use complete repertory, Roberts repertory. So I felt that there was a need to someone to explain it. You know, what is the structure of it? What is the USP? How to differentiate Bonninghausen repertory and Fatak repertory and Boger's repertory? You know, so I took the task of studying a repertory in detail. So I would take, for example, Boric repertory, understand the structure of it, try to solve cases with that. There are some very interesting rubrics in them. You know, ditto with Nair repertory I use a lot, a hell of a lot on Nair repertory. It's something that has changed the way I practice. And if you know how to use Nair repertory, you will be able to treat many hospital admitted cases, such kind of cases. Boger Bonninghausen repertory. In the COVID times, I used so often, and many difficult, complicated fevers, pneumonias. I was able to treat because of knowing Boger Bonninghausen repertory. I was treating cases across the world in 15 minutes. You know, every 15 minutes, entire nights we were studying cases, solving them, helping. It was absolutely so useful. Even in current dengue situation, we are using these repertories to find the right remedy. Art of Repertorization. This is the book. The book is already published actually. Now this is the second version of it. The first version is sold out. This is the second version of it, upgraded version. We've put a lot of effort on this book, and the reason to come up with the second version of it is so that homeopaths across the globe can make use of it, can read it, can understand it, can apply repertory in practical way, not theory, practical. So that's the idea. If you haven't read it, please have a look. You'll get all the details. My email ID, my team's email ID, everything is down. You can write to us. There is a discount offer going on. So if any one of you want to buy the book, just write to us and take hold of it. And not just, don't just buy the book, buy it, read it, apply it. That's the best. Thank you. Namaste from Mumbai. Thank you.